In this video, we are going to explore common character classes. Specifically, we will learn about the powerful shortcuts \d, \w, and \s. Let's start with \d. \d is a shortcut that is equivalent to the character set 0 through 9. So \d matches any single digit from 0 to 9. Let's see some examples of using \d in regular expressions. The pattern \d, followed by curly braces containing the number 3, matches exactly 3 digits, like 123, 456, 789. The pattern \d plus matches one or more digits like 542, 1337. The pattern \d, followed by curly braces containing the numbers 2, 4 matches 2 to 4 digits, like 12, 345, 6789. Now let's discuss \w, which is a shortcut for word characters. \w is equivalent to the character set containing lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, the digits 0 to 9, and the underscore character. So \w matches letters, digits, and underscores. Let's explore some examples of using \w in regular expressions. The pattern \w plus matches whole words, such as hello, Python 3, and user underscore name. The pattern \w, followed by curly braces containing the number 5, matches exactly 5 word characters, like admin, test1, and word underscore. The pattern \w asterisk matches 0 or more word characters, like abc123 underscore var, and an empty string. Now let's move on to \s, which is a shortcut for whitespace characters. \s is equivalent to the character set containing a space, a tab, a new line, a carriage return, a form feed, and a vertical tab. So \s matches spaces, tabs, new lines, and other whitespace. Here are some examples of using \s in regular expressions. The pattern \s plus matches one or more spaces, like a single space, 3 spaces, or a tab followed by a new line. The pattern \s asterisk matches 0 or more spaces, like an empty string, a single space, or 2 spaces followed by a tab. The pattern \w plus, \s plus, \w plus matches a word, followed by a space, followed by another word such as hello world or name age. Let's summarize the common shortcuts we've learned. \d is equivalent to the character set 0 to 9, and it matches digits. \w is equivalent to the character set containing lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, 0 to 9, and underscore, and it matches word characters. \s is equivalent to the character set containing space, tab, new line, carriage return, form feed, and vertical tab, and it matches whitespace. Here's a combined pattern example. \w plus, \s plus, \d plus matches a name followed by an age, like John 25 or Alice 30. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.